L'Hopital rule එක ගැන කතා කර හිටියේ. එතකොට අපි ගාව L'Hopital rule එක තියෙනවා. ඒකෙදි කතා කරන්නේ x බිඳුව කරා යනකොට fx බෙදීම gx වල අගය සමාන වෙනවා. එයාගේ පළවෙනි අවකලනය f dash x බෙදීම g dash x. දැන් අපි මෙතන හොයාගත්තා f dash x බෙදීම gx වල අගය. එතකොට ඒකට කෙලින්ම ආදේශ කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. මෙයා සමාන වෙනවා f dash x බෙදීම g dash x වලට. එහෙනම් ex වල x බිඳුවට යනකොට අගය 1යි 1 බෙදීම 1 සමාන වෙනවා 1ට. එතකොට මෙතෙන්දි undefined value එකක් ආවේ. බිඳුව බෙදීම බිඳුව. නමුත් L'Hopital rule එක පාවිච්චි කළාට පස්සේ defined value එකක් එනවා 1යි කියලා. ඒකයි මේකේ තියෙන විශේෂත්වය. ඊට පස්සේ example 2. So indeterminate form of infinity divided by infinity. අනන්තය අනන්තයෙන් බෙදුවා. මෙතනත් තියෙන්නේ undefined value එකක්. So here we are having limit x. When x goes to infinity, you have to find x squared divided by x power of 2, right? Sorry, 2 power of x. Here what happened, you can use the direct substitution method. So you are going to substitute the value of infinity for the x. So infinity squared means infinity. So here also you are getting infinity. So you are getting undefined value. So what are you going to do? You are going to use the L'Hopital rule. Here you are having x squared, then 2 to the power x, right? When you are getting the derivative of this one, so when you are finding, I will tell those in derivatives. So before that, if you are want to get the derivative of x squared, that is 2x, what happened? The power of 2 is coming in front of the x, right? So it is coming 2. Then here you are having x power of x squared. What happened? Here you are getting x squared, but you are reducing 1. So x squared minus 1 means x. So that's how you are getting the value as 2x, right? So then when you are finding x power of 2, the derivative of that is coming with log value. So we are telling it as len 2, right? So what happened? Here you are having this one. So when you are finding the derivative, it comes with like this, x, but you are getting log value of 2. Then again what happened? You are getting this 2 and len 2 in front of the limit, and you have to get x divided by 2x. Here also you are getting infinity. So what happened? You have to go another. Again you have to do the L'Hopital rule. It means you are getting derivative of this value. So here you are having 2 len 2 divided by len 2, then this one. So again you have to find the derivative of that. You are knowing that you are having a variable called x. The derivative of x is 1, then again 2 to the x. So here also again you are getting len value. So there are 2 len values, then 2 divided by len 2 squared, again 1 divided by 2 to the power of x, then you can find the answer, right? So then the third one. Here you are having indeterminate form of infinity minus infinity. Here you are having two functions, which is you have to find the limit when x goes to 2, 4 divided by x squared minus 4 minus 1 divided by x minus 2, right? So you can direct substitute. Here you can substitute 4 divided by x squared means 2 squared, right? I will show it. දැන් මෙතන තියෙනවා 4 බෙදීම x වර්ගයේ ඍණ 4 x වර්ගයට ආදේශ කරනවා 2 වර්ගය ඍණ 4 අඩු කිරීම sorry එහෙම නෙමෙයි okay දෙකේ වර්ගය 4යි 4 ඍණ 4 අඩු කරන්න වෙනවා 1 යට 2 ඍණ 2යි එතකොට 4 ඍණ 4 කියන්නේ 4 බෙදීම බිඳුව අඩු කිරීම 1 යට බිඳුව යම්කිසි සංඛ්‍යාවක් බිඳුවෙන් බෙදුවොත් බිඳුව නෙමෙයි අනන්තයයි අනන්තය අඩු කිරීම අනන්තය හරි මෙහෙමයි ඒකේ අගය එන්නේ ඊට පස්සේ මොකද කරන්නේ අපි මෙතෙන්ට ලෝපිතාල් රූල් එක පාවිච්චි කරනවා මොකද කරන්නේ මේකේ ලෝපිතාල් රූල් එක පාවිච්චි කරනවා කියන්නේ කෙලින්ම අපි බලනවා මෙතෙන්ට ලෝපිතාල් රූල් එක පාවිච්චි කරනවා කියන්නේ අපිට ඕන වෙන්නේ ඩෙරිවේටිව් එකක් පාවිච්චි කරන්න. නමුත් ඩෙරිවේටිව් පාවිච්චි කරන්න කලින් අපිට පේනවා කොන්ජුගේට් මෙතඩ් එකක් පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙම නැත්නම් ෆැක්ටරින් මෙතඩ් එක. x වර්ගයේ ඍණ 4 x ඍණ 2 තියෙනවා. x වර්ගයේ ඍණ 4 අපි දිගෑරියොත් ෆැක්ටර් කළොත් x ඍණ 2 x ධන 2 හම්බෙන්නේ. එතනින් පොදු හරය අරගන්නවා කොමන් ඩිනොමිනේටර් එකක් ගන්නවා අරගෙන සුළු කරනවා. සුළු කරලා ආදේශ කරනවා. එතෙන්දී ලෝපිතාල් රූල් එක කියලා පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ අපි ඒක. හරි? So then infinity power of 1 what happened? You have to find the limit when x goes to 1 1 divided by x into 1 minus x. So you have to substitute the values. So they are 1 divided by 1 into 1 minus 1. So here we are getting infinity power of 1. What happened? We are getting some value called y. What we are doing? We are saying that y equal to 1 divided by x1 minus x. So then we are getting the derivative of y. So len y equal len දෙපැත්තෙම log එක ගන්නෙ. එතනින් අපිට හම්බ වෙනවා len x බෙදීම 1 ඍණ x කියලා. ඊට පස්සේ අපි මොකද කරන්නේ? ලෝපිතාල් රූල් එක පාවිච්චි කරලා මෙයාට මේ අගය ආදේශ කරනවා. හරි අගය ආදේශ කරලා අපි මෙතනින් ඍණ 1යි කියලා අගයක් අරගන්නවා. අරගෙන අපි ගාව තියෙන්නේ len y එක තමයි ඍණ 1ට සමාන වෙන්නේ. මොකද අපි මෙතන හොයන්නේ len y වල වැලියු එක. හරි ඒක තමයි ඍණ 1ට සමාන වෙන්නේ. අපි ගාව තියෙනවා y සමානයි 1 බෙදීම x වල 1 ඍණ x. මේක තමයි අපි හොයන්න ඕනේ. එහෙනම් අපි ඒක මෙයාට ආදේශ කරනවා. ආදේශ කරලා y වල සීමා හොයනවා. හොයලා අගයක් අරගන්න. ඒක තමයි මෙතෙන්දි කරලා තියෙන්නේ. හරි. Then the indeterminate form of zero multiplication by infinity. So you are having x into ln x. X goes to 0. So you have to substitute 0 into ln 0 means that is infinity. So you are going to use L'Hopital rule. So what you are doing? You are getting the derivative value. So here you are having x and ln x. So for that, when you are using derivative, that is ln x divided by 1 divided by x. So then when you are getting the derivative, the derivative of ln x is equal to 1 divided by x, right? So then you are going to get the derivative of 1 divided by x means that is here you are getting minus 1, right? Just you have to substitute the value, right? If you are feeling that those are difficult, don't think like that, because we are going to do the derivative lesson, then you will get understand more than this. Then there are some questions you have to try. So please do those, and I will put a link for that to upload the photographs. What you have done, please upload within the time to the LMS, and we will wind up the session, and I will upload another tutorial for this lesson. And please do the first tutorial of limits, which I have uploaded to the LMS, and I will put the answers within this week, and check your answers, because you have to do lot of practices when you are doing these things, as well as we are not in a classroom and we are meeting in a online mode. So the best thing is you have to do your practices, and otherwise it will be difficult to do these things. And I will put the link, and we will meet on next week as usual of this, and let's wind up the session. Thank you for connecting with, and I will send the reply mails who have asked some questions regarding about the last lectures. I will put those, and the corrected answers I will upload to the LMS. And if you are having questions, please contact me through the email or through the phone. I will reply to you. So thank you very much for connecting with the session today, and we'll wind up the session. Thank you.